Hello, my curious viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the mystery of human behavior and dive deep into the realm of psychology. In today's video, we are delving into a topic that has intrigued humanity for ages. People will start missing you when. The psychology of human behavior. Have you ever wondered what triggered that shift in someone's emotion, making them release your absence? Well, you're about to uncover the psychological nuance behind this intriguing phenomenon. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our thought-provoking content. Let's jump right into it. Segment 1, The Absence Equation. Ever wondered why people seem to start missing you more when you're not around? The answer lies in what we can call the absence equation. Humans have a curious way of adapting to familiarity. When someone is a constant presence in our lives, their existence becomes woven into the fabric of our daily routine, and we often take their presence for granted. It's only when that presence is disrupted that our minds are jolted out of this state of habituation. Suddenly, we become acutely aware of their absence, and our emotions respond in kind. This phenomenon reveals the intricate balance between our brain's tendency to normalize consistent stimuli and its ability to recognize change. As someone's presence transition into absence, the equation shift, drawing our attention to their missing influence. This recalibration of familiarity and novelty can lead to a surge of feeling, causing people to start missing you even more profoundly than before. Segment 2, Emotional Contagion. Have you ever noticed how emotion can spread like wildfire? This phenomenon, known as emotional contagion, shed light on why people start missing you when you're absent. Emotions are powerful influencers, and our interaction with others are often characterized by an exchange of emotional energy. When you're consistently present and radiating positivity, those around you become accustomed to the emotional atmosphere you create. However, when you're suddenly absent, that emotional connection is disrupted. The void left by your absence becomes palpable as those around you feel the absence of your emotional energy. It's as if your emotional presence becomes a part of their daily experience, and when that presence is no longer there, they begin to yearn for the positive feeling and energy you used to bring into their lives. Think of emotional contagion as a ripple effect. Your emotion create wave that influence those around you, and when those waves suddenly stop, the waters become still and the absence of your emotional energy become apparent. This realization triggers a sense of longing as people realize that the emotional landscape they once shared with you has been altered. Emotional contagion emphasizes the profound impact that our emotions have on the dynamics of our relationship. So, the next time you find that people are missing you more than usual, remember that it's not just your physical presence they're longing for, it's the emotional influence and positivity that you contribute to their lives that they're missing the most. Segment 3, The Zeigarnik Effect. Have you ever found yourself thinking about tasks or experiences that are left unfinished? The Zeigarnik Effect, a psychological principle, explains why people start missing you when you're not around. This effect centers on our brain's tendency to remember and focus on incomplete or interrupted tasks more vividly than those that are completed. Applied to social interaction, it means that when you're regularly part of someone's life, your interaction creates an ongoing narrative of shared experience, a series of unfinished stories. These stories become intertwined with the fabric of their daily lives, and your presence serves as an integral part of this narrative. When you're suddenly absent, the Zeigarnik effect comes into play. The brain continues to replay these unfinished stories, causing those you've interacted with to be constantly reminded of the moment they shared with you. This mental replay triggers their emotional attachment and a sense of incompleteness. The Zeigarnik effect creates an almost involuntary reflection on the impact you've had on their lives. As they find themselves recalling this unfinished narrative, their emotions are stirred, and a longing for your presence emerges. This phenomenon emphasizes the emotional resonance of your interaction and the lasting impression you've made on the stories of their lives. Segment 4, The Law of Scarcity. Ever noticed how the value of something seems to increase when it becomes scarce? The law of scarcity, a psychological principle, offers insight into why people start missing you when you're not around. This principle suggests that the perceived value of an item or experience rises at its availability decrease. Applied to social interaction, when you're consistently present in someone's life, your presence might become taken for granted. However, when circumstances lead to your absence, the law of scarcity comes into play. Suddenly, your presence becomes a limited resource, and its value in their life amplify. Imagine a collectible item when it's widely available, its value might not be high. However, when it becomes rare and difficult to find, its value skyrocket. Similarly, your consistent presence might not be fully appreciated until it becomes scarce. The law of scarcity underscores the psychology of desire and the emotional dynamics of missing someone. As your absence accentuates the rarity of your presence, people begin to recognize the unique quality, experience, and emotion you bring to their lives. This realization stirs a heightened sense of appreciation and longing, making them start missing you more than ever before. Segment 5, Personal Association. Our memory are intricately tied to the people, place, and experience we associate them with. This connection becomes a key factor in why people start missing you when you're not around. As you weave your presence into the tapestry of someone's life, you become entwined with their cherished memory. Shared moments, inside joke, and meaningful conversation create a network of association that link you to their past experience. These memories serve as emotional trigger that evoke a sense of familiarity and comfort. When you're absent, these triggers become pot reminder of your absence. A familiar scent, a particular location, or even a specific activity can trigger a rush of memory, emotion, and a yearning for your presence. These associations create a unique bond that transcends physical proximity. As people navigate their lives, these triggers spark a reflection on the moment you've shared together. The resulting nostalgia and longing serve à reminder of the emotional connection you've forged. Segment 6, Emotional Intimacy. Emotional intimacy serve as a pot catalyst for why people start missing you when you're not around. When you share heartfelt conversation, vulnerability, and genuine emotional connection with someone, you're not only creating a bond but also leaving an indelible mark on their emotional landscape. This emotional intimacy transcends physical presence and become a part of their inner world. The emotional experience you've shared become treasured memory that continue to influence their emotion even when you're absent. Imagine emotional intimacy as a bridge that connects hearts across distance. This bridge is built through shared moments of authenticity, empathy, and understanding. When you're suddenly not around, that bridge remains, and its absence is felt as a gap in their emotional landscape. People start missing you not just because of the physical void but also because your emotional influence is no longer present to help them navigate their feelings and thoughts. This phenomenon highlights the profound role emotional intimacy play in creating lasting connection. Segment 7, Reflection of Identity. The absence of someone significant in our lives can lead to a profound shift in our sense of identity. This concept is at the core of why people start missing you when you're not around. Our identities are intricately connected to the people we interact with and the experience we share. When you're a part of someone's life, you contribute to their sense of self. Your interest, conversation, and shared memory become integrated into their identity. Your absence creates a gap in their self-perception, prompting them to reflect on the role you play in shaping who they are.